Turning live webinars into Evergreen course modules is an incredibly effective way to maximize the value of your content and scale your online education business. And in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to take your live webinar content and turn it into a self-paced Evergreen course that generates revenue passively. This process is simpler than it sounds, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do. Stick around to the end, because I'll share a free trial to the software we'll be using to make this happen. First, let's talk about why this is so important. Live webinars are great for engaging with your audience in real time, but the value doesn't have to end there. By turning these webinars into Evergreen course modules, you can repurpose that content, save time, and create a valuable resource that works for you 24/7. The first step is to download and save your webinar recording. Most webinar platforms allow you to record your sessions automatically, but if not, make sure you manually record your webinar before the live event ends. This is essential because it's the raw content you'll turn into your course. Once you have the recording, the next step is to break it down into bite-sized, digestible lessons. Look at your webinar and identify natural sections or key topics that make sense as standalone lessons. Aim to split up longer segments into smaller chunks to create more digestible modules for your students. The goal here is to make sure each lesson is clear, concise, and easy to consume, which is crucial for keeping your learners engaged. Now it's time to upload your content into your course platform. This is where the software we'll be using comes in. You'll want a platform that allows you to organize your lessons, add quizzes or assignments, and track student progress. You can upload your pre-recorded webinar videos as individual lessons and easily create a course structure that flows naturally from one module to the next. To further enhance your course, consider adding supporting resources like worksheets, slides, or additional materials to complement each lesson. This added value helps reinforce the concepts in your course and gives your students something to work with in between lessons. Also, don't forget about the interactivity. Even though this is an evergreen course, adding features like quizzes, discussion forums, and certificates of completion can help keep your students engaged and motivated. This keeps the course dynamic and ensures it's not just a passive experience, but an active learning journey. Next, set up automation. One of the biggest benefits of an evergreen course is that it runs automatically without your direct involvement. Make sure to set up automated emails or notifications to guide students through the course. This keeps everything running smoothly without needing you to manually intervene every time someone signs up. If you're wondering which software to use for this, I've tested out a few of the most popular options and found one that I believe offers the best balance of features, ease of use, and affordability. I've included a link in the description to an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and try the software for yourself. Key takeaway: turning live webinars into Evergreen course modules allows you to repurpose content and create a passive income stream. Focus on breaking your webinar into smaller, digestible modules, upload them into your course platform, and add supporting materials to enhance the experience. Automate the process so it runs without you, and you'll have a scalable, profitable course. Quick revision: save your webinar recording, break it into modules, upload to a course platform, add supplementary resources, make the course interactive, and automate your emails for seamless delivery. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along and turn your webinars into Evergreen courses today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.